Then on top of that, if you got you a little more money, they call that motherfucker the LS9. You know how much that damn produced? You ain't even gotta like, comment, subscribe. Just watch the whole video. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's boy Willie T with Eating 3, and we back with another video today, man. Talking our shit about the C6 Corvette. Now, it's a top tier competitor for one of my next cars I want to buy. Alright, so this from the year 2005 to like 2013, I think. Anyway, did Chevy really create a beautiful car, man? In the early years of 2005, came with a 6-liter LS2. Talking 400 horses. That step up from the 5.7 and the C5, step up everything. We good 400 horses. They said, that ain't no dog. I'm sorry, that ain't enough, my boy. 2008, they decided to put one of the most famous LS's ever, that 6.2-liter LS3. That's when they came out of LS3 for the Corvette, talking 430 horses, 0-60 in 4.5 seconds. Super aerodynamic. It gets great gas mileage. It gets like 24 on highway, 18 in the city. They get better than my Mustang. A 6.2 liter getting better than my 4.6 liter is insane. You gotta think about it. It's aerodynamic as hell. It's a performance vehicle, which is insane to me. The sounds coming out of that 6.2 liter LS3 is majestic, very much majestic. It's a good time, bro. It's just a great time. You can drift these things. You can stance these things. You can make it a street racing beast. I see no downfalls. Actually, I don't know. It probably is downfalls, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, let me tell you something that's gonna win every time. I mean, people don't like American cars for some reason because they're cheap. They be like, oh, the material is cheap. The interior, they be like, the interior is cheaper. Like, you know, it's just not built. Like, the quality isn't as good as quality. But let me tell you one thing for certain, two things for certain. American cars, nope, let me stop. American sports cars are the most reliable sports cars / cars ever. You know, these other cars, they be like, engine this, transmission that, engine this. One thing for sure, we're not talking about Mustangs in this video, but one thing for sure, nobody has ever said the word Mustang GT and unreliable in the same sentence. Ever. Cars you never hear about breaking down for real are American sports cars. Nobody ever been like, yeah, my Corvette left me stranded because the engine blew up or unless you're doing some stupid shit, of course, but like, just day-to-day driving, a Beamer blow up on you any day. You could be driving that bitch 2 miles an hour, shit could just go blow up. Hey, I'm just a messenger, don't shoot me. I'm just saying, but like, they're easy to work on. Parts are accessible as hell. But American cars, you can go to damn AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Part, Napa, all them motherfuckers, and you can get the part you need that made your shit stop working same day, if not next day. Shade tree mechanics can work on them bitches. So I mean, if they can work on it, you can work on it. The engines, you can find those engines all day long. Components are just easy to work on with regular tools, dog. Then on top of that, if you got you a little more money, the Z06 this generation came with a supercharged 6.2 liter. Supercharged 6.2 liter LS3. And they call that motherfucker the LS9. You know how much that damn produced? 630 something horses with 604 foot-pounds of torque, bringing your 0-60 down to 3.5 seconds. You get a better aggressive exterior styling. Yes, styling. Had to say it like a white person. Now, honestly though, I've heard the biggest problem with these cars are like their harmonic balancers going out. The Z06 did have some rod bearing failures at some point. Like, the problems aren't big problems. They're like problems that could happen because they've happened a couple times. Timing chain tensioner, not even the timing chain tensioner. Like, just little, like, simple shit that's not going to make or break like yo shit. Things that can go on any car, basically. Not like these other cars where specific things go out only for this specific car. You gotta wait 3 weeks for this part to come in, or you gotta find a certain person to install it and all that shit. It's just not the case when it comes to American sports cars with V8s in them. I need to really nail that down. It has to be American cars with V8s in them. And all the American cars that's less than a V8 are trash. Let's be honest. Anyway, I really can't go wrong. And no, you don't have to be somebody's grandpa going through a midlife crisis, somebody's dad to get a Corvette. I will happily buy a Corvette today. And we might. We don't know. By the end of the year, we might be in a Corvette, man. I don't see why not. I don't see, you know what I'm saying? There's a couple cars I'm really thinking about, but you know what I'm saying? Like, American muscle's always in that motherfucker. Yeah, man. That's not what. That's how I got this. Y'all got something? Y'all got something y'all want to say? Y'all got something y'all want to say? I got something I want to say. I got one to get you one. You ain't got one, you better get you one. Because if I get mine for you get yours, I'm going to tear the city up. And best believe I'm going to get me one of these. For real? So yeah, we got that bit. For real. I'm just saying. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't liked, comment, subscribe, what you doing? Don't forget to like. Fuck that shit. Watch the whole video. Don't forget. No, just watch the whole video. Don't even like. You ain't even gotta like, comment, subscribe. Just watch the whole video. But you should do that anyway. For real. We got that bit. For real.